Assalamu alaikum students, welcome to our English class. Today we are going to learn a new lesson. Before we start our lesson, like and share this video. Also subscribe this channel and click the bell button for more videos. Okay, and students, tell me, how are you today? I hope you all are fine and doing well at your home. Yes, students, first we will sing good morning song. Okay, are you ready? All students sing along with me. Are you ready? Yes, 1, 2, 3, start. Good morning, good morning, good morning, how are you? Good morning, good morning, good morning, how are you? Tell me students, how are you? Now I'm going to start our lesson of today, and the topic of today is, I have a new lesson, students. Can you guess what is that? What's the letter? What's the letter? What's the letter for today? The letter for today is dun, dun, pup, 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 pup. Dun, 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 dun. What is that, students? Yes, the letter B. What is this? B. B. Can you repeat after me? B. Very good. Good job. This is the capital B. Mama B. And this is the small b. Baby B. Yes. Again, students, repeat after me. Capital B, small b. Where is small b? Is this the small b? No. Is this the small b? Yes, this is the small b, and this is the capital B, and the sound of B is B. B. Can you repeat after me? The sound of letter B. 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 Ba ba black sheep, have you any wool? Yes sir, yes. Yes sir, yes sir, 3 bags full. One for the master, one for the dame, one for the little girl who lives down the lane. Good job. And tell me students, what is the sound of letter B? B. 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 Very good. And can you tell me what is this? This is your bag? Yes, this is your bag, school bag. B, bag. B, bag. This is your school bag. And you put your books and notebooks in this bag. Okay, all students, show me your school bag. Very good. B, bag. B, bag. We use this bag for school. Now I'm going to put this letter B on the board. Can you help me? Yes, okay. Yes, student, the topic of today is B. B, bag. Sound of B again. Repeat after me. All students repeat after me the sound of B. 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 Very good. B. 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 Very good. Now students, what are the words that start with the letter B? I have a picture that starts with letter B, and this picture is coming, and dun, 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 dun. the picture is coming. This is a ten 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 ten. What is this? This is a basket. Basket. Repeat after me. Basket. Basket. Very good. We put different things in the basket, and now I'm going to put this basket on the board. Basket. And the next picture that starts with letter B, it is very beautiful and I like it very much. And this picture is coming. It is in different colors. Students, can you tell me what's that? Yes, this is a oh, cute butterfly, beautiful butterfly. I like it very much, and butterfly loves the flowers, beautiful flowers. Yes, it is very beautiful and it is in different colors. Do you like the butterfly? Yes, okay. This is a butterfly. Butterfly. Butterfly is flying in the air, flying in the air, flying in the air. Do you want to catch the butterfly? Yes, okay. This is very beautiful. Butterfly, and very happy to see you. And now I'm going to put this butterfly on the board. And dear students, you can also see the beautiful butterflies on the screen. I want to catch these butterflies. These butterflies are flying in the air. Very beautiful. I want to catch these beautiful butterflies. Butterflies. Very good. Very cute butterfly. Can you see these butterflies? Butterflies. Very good. Next picture is, this is a healthy fruit and its color is yellow. Can you tell me, students, what's that? Yes, this is a banana. 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 Its color is yellow and it is very healthy. Do you like to eat banana? Yes, very good. I also like to eat banana. Banana. Very good. Now this banana is going on the. These are bananas. Yes, I also like to eat bananas. Banana. And these color are yellow. Okay, and I like to eat banana, so I want to peel off it because it is very healthy. Banana. Its color is pink and I like to play with it. Do you like to play with it? Yes, very good. This is a ball. Ball. Now we will review our lesson of today. What is this? This is the big B and this is the small b. B says b, bag. B bag. What is this? Basket. B basket. Butterfly. B butterfly. Banana. B banana. B banana. And what is this? This is a ball. B ball. Very good. Good job. Now we will sing the song. What's the song? Yes, letter B song. All students sing along with me. B bag. B bag. B basket. B basket. B butterfly. B butterfly. B ball. B ball. B banana. B banana. Very good.